Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're still solving inequalities, and here we have a compound inequality. It's 2/3 is less than 4x minus 5, which is less than or equal to 8/5. So we don't have to follow all our rules, but if we think about it as an equation, the first thing we generally do if we see a fraction is try and get rid of them. And I don't really want to think about common denominators and adding fractions. So I'm going to look at what I have here, which is a fraction with a denominator of 3 and another fraction with a denominator of 5, and know that the common denominator there would be 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything in here by 15. And I'll do this a little bit longer than usual because I want to make sure you remember how to do it from an equation. So the first one would be 15 times 2/3 less than 15 times 4x minus 5 less than or equal to 15 times 8/5. And we're going to clean these up. So the first thing we notice here is that 15 over 3 is 5. So the left-hand side gives us 5 times 2, which will give us 10, and that'll be less than. In the middle, we're just going to distribute the 15 times the 4x minus 5. So we will have 60x minus 75, and that'll be less than or equal to, and of course, 15 over 5 on the right-hand side is 3. So 3 times 8 will be 24. So after getting rid of the fractions, I have the compound inequality. Let me clean it up just a little bit here. Of 10 is less than 60x minus 75 less than or equal to 24. So we want to get this x by itself, and it's in the center, so that's great. So we're going to focus on just the center. So we'll add 75 to all parts to get rid of that center part. So that will give us, looks like 85 less than or equal to, I keep saying less than or equal to, but less than, so 85 less than 60x less than or equal to, and that looks like 99, oddly enough. And then we want to get rid of the 60, so we'll divide all three parts by 60. Now I'm back to fractions, so let's see here. That's going to cancel out and leave me x in the middle. But if I want to reduce 85 over 60, I know they're both divisible by 5. So let's see. If they're divisible by 5, I know the bottom would be 12. And the top would be, I'm going to pick up a calculator. 85 divided by 5 would be 17. So 17/12 is less than x, which is less than or equal to, and I know 99 and 60 are both divisible by 3, so that could be 33 over 20. Even if you don't reduce, you should get something similar. So I have 17/12 less than x, less than or equal to 33/20. So I'm going to put that on a number line. Here's 0. Both of these are bigger than 0. So 17/12, and to the right of that, 33/20. So let's see. 17/12 is less than x. So that's a less than, so that's a bracket, parentheses. And x less than or equal to 33/20, that is a bracket, and shade the region in between. So when we put that in interval notation, it'll be parentheses 17/12, and that'll run to 33/20 with a bracket. Thank you.